In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your website design using the Wix editor by adding and customizing a strip. Whether you're looking to make your site more visually appealing or want to highlight specific content, strips are a versatile tool to enhance your website's layout. Let's start by diving into the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left side of the interface where you'll find the Add button. This button is your gateway to introducing new elements to your web page. Clicking on Add reveals a list of items you can place on your site, and for our purposes today, we want to select Strip. Strips are horizontal sections that help organize and emphasize content on your page, making them perfect for a clean and modern look. After selecting Strip, you'll see a variety of strip designs that Wix offers. These range from minimalist styles to more dynamic, visually complex options. Choose a strip that aligns with the theme and aesthetic you have in mind for your site. Once you've made your choice, simply click on it and it will be instantly added to your web page. Now that the strip is on your page, it's time to customize it to fit your unique brand and content requirements. Click on the newly added strip to bring up the editing options. One of the key features is the Change Strip Background button. This is where you can really make your strip stand out. Whether you want to upload an image, choose a solid color, or even insert a video background, Wix gives you the flexibility to explore different visual styles. Be sure to choose background media that complements the rest of your site while highlighting the content it accompanies. With the background set, shift focus to the content within the strip. Click on the strip again and select Add Content. Here you can include various elements like text, images, buttons, and more. Arrange these elements to suit your message, ensuring that they capture your visitors' attention and deliver your intended communication effectively. Remember, it's essential to maintain a balance between aesthetics and readability. Now that your content is in place, let's adjust the size of the strip to ensure it perfectly fits your design and content. Hover over the strip's edges until you see a handle that allows you to drag and resize. Adjust the height of the strip to best accommodate your content, ensuring there's neither excess space nor crowding. And there you have it.